Alright, how's it going, everybody? So I got Lucas over here, Lexi, and Melissa. So this is my wife, and she has never worked bees. So we've been going through this yard right here so far. We did lose one. There are no bees in it. Kind of moldy and stuff, stinks in there. But we've been going through this yard, so they're gonna go through here and show you how it's done. It's really windy, so hopefully it picks up, but we will see. So all right, Lucas, give them a smoke, and then we'll take off the little nuke box here, and I'll explain my system too. So the nuke box on top right here, so we keep 7 frame hives. So down here, this is the parent hive. So this is our honey production hive. And what we do is we'll split here, and we'll take that queen and we'll put her up here in this nuke box and stuff. So you can see this one we overwintered with the queen right there. And then we will get up going on them right there. And then when we don't use them, as you've seen on this hive over here, it's covering our feed jars. So there's some bees in there. So take out this frame right here. So if you're new to it, when you're going through the frames, you see where her hive tool is? It's right there on these corners and stuff. It's not on these little nipples, because you don't want to smash it in. She hasn't got the hang of holding on to the hive tool yet, but most beekeepers will work with our hive tool in our hand. So right now we're looking through them. There's nothing on that one and stuff, so we'll set it on the side over here just like this. Right here, we'll prop it up against there. We'll go in here, just move that one down to the side. All right, and then move this one over. All right, lift that one out. This one? Yeah, let's see what's on there. We'll probably have to go down in another box, see if we got brood. Oh, we got brood. And we have larvae down there and stuff. And I see eggs. So you guys see the eggs? Mm-hmm. All right, let's just show Mom, make sure she sees the eggs. Just flip it over. You see the little eggs in there?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so we know we got a queen in there. So we're gonna put that frame back in, push them back together, and put this frame back right there. Lexi, grab that one right quick. Hold on, let Mom push them all back. All right, slide that one in there. Now lift that top box off.
Well, I need to use this.
Yeah, pry that top box off. I'll grab a patty over here. So we're using global patties right now. They've been really good. Bees are in the box. All right, so we grab a patty. All right, lift that box up.
Set it right here.
Smoke them out of the way a little bit. All right, that is good. And then we'll put this on top of them right just like that, okay? So that's a pollen patty. So we're feeding that. All right, now grab that box, put it back on top. And then we're going to grab the lid. Yep, you're good. Put that one back on top. And then these are our feed jars. So during the summer, when we have a nuke, when we make our splits and we have our queen up here, we don't have our feed jars on. And so we'll put little vents right there. And then that little vent, so the hive's going to be a big one. And so since the parent hive is strong, she helps keep the nuke going. And then once we get them built up, and if they need feed, then we close them off like this one right here, and we'll put an internal feeder in here and skip these little jar ones if we keep it on top. Most of the time, as these right here, we don't keep them on top over the winter, but we kept this one on top. I'll have a video on just the way that we do it by itself, but that's how we do it. So then we're gonna fill the jar up. Lexi's clearing the propolis out of them. Sometimes they do that. and we'll put the feed jars back on. But that is what we are doing. And so some people are wondering why she is getting trained now. So we have been together for 22 years, married almost 16, and this is our first time to be in the Beehives actual. So she does a lot of the honey and markets and things of that nature for sweet stingers, but she doesn't do the bee stuff. But unfortunately, I am having back surgery, so and probably in a couple of weeks, and it's from a wreck that happened last year. So this is why we're trying to get her trained, and I'll have some other beekeepers helping me around the city as well. They've already reached out and said if I needed anything, you know, to help out. So I'm not going to be able to lift boxes, and it's hard for me to just bend down right now. But I'm going to be out most of the spring and probably a lot of the summer. So you're going to start seeing the kids and her in the video. And like I said, we'll go over everything that we're doing here, but our hives are looking great. Happy with the majority of them. You know, I got some weak ones, but most of them are getting their second boxes, as you can see. We did winter them all in a single like this, and that's how we winter everything. So you can see down the line, we're going in with our second boxes, the ones that need it. These two on the end, they were just bigger. This one had 3 boxes on it because we never harvested the honey out of it. And then I took it out, and last time I was out here, which was early December, I took that 3rd box off. So these two did winter in a double system like that, and I think that's what we're going to start doing. We're testing it out on some. I don't know. I'm really partial to my singles though, but as you can see, that this one right here, the yellow one, and this one over here, this orange one, it did not receive a second box because they are just smaller. So that's the way that is. But everything else is doing really well out here. Got a lot of pollen. We are seeing drones. This is in one of our prior locations in northeast Oklahoma, and so it is getting built up rapidly. So we're looking forward to the season. Hopefully it goes well. All right, we will see you guys later. Y'all have a good one.